Have you noticed how few butterflies and bees there are in the summer? And the wildflowers my gran loved have nearly all gone.
As we've changed our countryside, 97% of our wildflower meadows have been lost. This affects our food, our precious wildlife, our very future.
But we can help change that. Botanica by Air Wick and WWF have pledged to restore 20 million square feet of wildflower habitats.
So, help us save our wildlife and rebuild the habitats we so depend on by growing with us. Wherever you are, we can restore nature's home, our home. Join us.
And let's bring nature back.